Unlocking the secret, aloe vera for hair growth.
Hello there, beautiful people. In today's episode, we are delving deep into the natural world of hair care, specifically discussing a widely recognized plant, aloe vera. Many people ask, does leaving aloe vera in hair promote hair growth? It's time to uncover the truth and see if this magical plant can really give your hair the boost it needs.
What is aloe vera?
Aloe vera is a succulent plant species from the aloe genus. It's well known for its soothing, moisturizing, and healing properties, widely used in skincare, healthcare, and also hair care. But today, we'll focus primarily on its impact on hair growth.
What does aloe vera do to your hair?
Aloe vera is packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, C, and E, and also contains a healthy dose of vitamin B12, folic acid, and choline. All these nutrients are great for hair. More importantly, aloe vera helps in maintaining the pH balance of your scalp and cleans it by removing extra sebum and residue from other hair products. This deep cleaning action can help unclog hair follicles, potentially allowing for healthier hair growth.
Does aloe vera promote hair growth?
To answer the burning question, does leaving aloe vera in hair promote hair growth? Yes, it can, but indirectly. Aloe vera doesn't make your hair grow faster or thicker directly. Instead, it creates an ideal environment for hair growth by combating common scalp issues like dandruff and sebum buildup. It also helps maintain moisture in the hair, which reduces breakage and hair loss.
How to use aloe vera for hair?
To gain the potential benefits of aloe vera for hair growth, here's a quick guide. You can extract the aloe vera gel directly from the plant, or you can use store-bought pure aloe vera gel. Apply the gel to your scalp and hair. Let it sit for about an hour. Rinse it off with a mild shampoo. You can use this treatment once or twice a week for best results. So there you have it. Aloe vera, while not a direct stimulant of hair growth, indeed creates a favorable environment for your hair to grow healthier and stronger. By tackling common hair problems like scalp irritation, dandruff, and hair breakage, aloe vera can be a great ally in your natural hair care routine. Remember, everyone's hair is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Always test a small amount first to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey towards healthier, more luscious hair. Stay tuned for more natural hair care tips and tricks. See you next time.